checking out some hot hairstyle ideas that you can rock this season. So here we have this beautiful 90s inspired hairstyle. If you guys didn't already know that layers are definitely making a huge comeback this season, and we're seeing a lot of that on TikTok. Here we have someone doing a blowout on their bangs. She has the bottleneck style bangs for this particular hairstyle. And this is just a great way to frame the face. Beautiful layers as well. And then we have someone with curtain style bangs. So she's gonna do a blowout with these particular bangs as well. Love her makeup, so beautiful. And curtain bangs are just another great way to frame the face. So the difference between curtain bangs and bottleneck bangs, if you're wondering, is the bottleneck bangs tend to be a little bit shorter than the curtain style. So it looks like a Y2K inspired hairstyle for this one. Very cute. Another Y2K inspired hairstyle. Wow, her hair is very bold with this orange coloring. So she did a zigzag pattern at the top. And then she did like butterfly clips, claw clips in the back. Very cute style. So then we have someone who is rocking the split dye money piece highlight look. Looks like she's doing a touch up on the color here. Blue on one side, pink on the other. Gorgeous. Oh, beautiful contrasting money piece highlight look. Another huge trend that we are seeing heading into 2023. And then we see someone getting a color retouch on their red hair. This is a really pretty deep burgundy red color. Very bold and perfect for fall. And then we see another color transformation. She also decided to get the contrasting money piece highlights. And she does have well blended in highlights with this one as well. Oh, another contrasting money piece highlight look. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these hair ideas with me. If you did, please be sure to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends.